How to block someone on Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If someone is bothering you sending unwanted messages or you simply don't want to communicate with them anymore, Zangi makes it easy to block that person. First of all, launch open the Zangi private messenger application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Zangi, go ahead and open the person's chat or their contact in order to block them. Once you find the person you want to block, I've just opened up a chat from a specific someone. Now go ahead and tap on their profile icon at the top. And once you open up this kind of an interface, go to the bottom of the screen and look for this block this contact button, tap on it, and in the pop-up click on block. Soon after you do that, you will be able to block the contact. Now as long as you block this person, they won't be able to contact you through Zangi, you won't receive their calls or messages, and your chat history may remain on your device unless you choose to delete it separately. So that's how you easily block someone on Zangi. You can also unblock them whenever you want, and it is super easy to do as well. Just go ahead and open up the chat from them and click on the unblock button at the bottom right corner. In the pop-up, click on unblock to unblock them back again. So that is how you can block or unblock someone on Zangi. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.